Uthando Nesthembu Season 9 has returned on our screens, and it will be playing every Wednesday and Thursday at 8. Well, a lot is unfolding this season. I feel like Makele is still obsessed with talking about other wives, even though the other wives don't even respond or say anything. Mayeni is one person that doesn't care about other wives. She believes that the problem here is their husband, Umusam Seliku, and deals with him directly. Then on the other hand, there is Makumalo, who is standing on business this season. I like that she has found a voice and speaks up for herself. And on the other hand, there is Umangwabe, who makes decisions and doesn't stand on business because Umangwabe was never going to leave that man. Then there is the new wife, Samke. Samke needs to tone it down a little. She doesn't need to step on everybody's toes when she has never even met the other wives. Then there is the common denominator here, Ubabam Seliku, who is the problem. He's the reason why his family is falling apart, and the only person who can deal with him is Umayeni. I like that Umayeni is not afraid of him. She tells him the truth. She doesn't go through the corners. She doesn't fight with other wives. She fights with Umusa Mseleku, the common denominator. Once again, thank you so much for clicking. Until we meet again.